Hey, what's going on? This is Crystal Bash. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Um, so it's kind of been crappy weather outside, and today was Thanksgiving. It was a great day, but I really wanted to get something out and drive. Um, but it gets dark so early, and I just ordered a ton of lights because I'm just a little tired of once it gets dark, you don't really want to run. And I got lights coming that will, I hope, light up like at least 3 feet in front of the car. Because once those things get moving, those lights don't really help. Um, I mean, they're they're great. You could at least see your vehicle, but you could still lose it and end up hitting something pretty hard. Like I was out there the other day and there's this beautiful Mercedes just parked in the road. And I'm coming down and I'm wheeling down the road, and all of a sudden I start drifting towards the Mercedes, and bam, hit the brake and turned at the same time. Now, on the Outcast, I do have the brakes turned up quite a bit, and I was running these small tires. And boy, when I hit the brake and turned away from the Mercedes, it just started barrel rolling. Do 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 do. And I'm like, oh boy, here we go. So yeah, it kind of smashed right into it. I mean, she's my neighbor and she's pretty cool. And the first thing I did was I didn't give a crap about my car. I just went over to her car and I was like, hey, all right, it looks good. I don't have to go up and knock on the door and be like, oh, I just dented your car because, it caught the front bumper. It's a plastic front bumper. No scratches or anything. I would have went over and buffed it out for her or whatever she wanted to do. I mean, I'm definitely not going to leave someone's car if I did something to it and just walk away from it. I'm not that kind of guy, so. Okay, so we have the e-Revo coming up the ramp, and that's picture perfect size. So you got that, boom. We have the Haas on top, and the e-Revo is extended. This is not a normal wheelbase. It's extended 20 millimeters on each side out. I don't know if you can see that. But on each side you got, yeah, you can see that red one, but let's get in the light here. On each side you got 20 millimeters, so it's out there. Yeah, you can see the red extension block there. So that's 20 millimeters on that side, and then the same on the other side. So it's stretched out like whoa. But you can't flip this thing over unless you're in the dirt or anything. So that fits perfectly. The Traxxas Haas loves this jump, but the Outcast, you have to hit it perfectly, and it's hard to do. I mean, you could catch it, once in a while. If you want to just do a little baby jump and hit it, it's simple. But if you want to like hit it, yeah, you better make sure you're lined up, and otherwise, you know, if you're off about this much, you're going whew, and for a ride. So I figured I would just show you guys a little bit more about the ramp. The next one will be bigger. We'll see what we get for Christmas on boxes, and then you just start with the heaviest duty, biggest box. You just start with that as the cover to the ramp. You're gonna put that on the top. That's gonna be your top, because you could pretty much put anything after that, and then you want to just, you know, get the sides all set up. But the durability is what takes all the Gorilla Tape. And like I said last night in last video, that I can stand completely on it, and you know, I don't have any issues where this is going to break. I have an RPM front bumper on here, along with the Stampede bumper. So I'm probably gonna just get the Haas bumper here. I just hope I can keep my RPM bumper, because that is a shock shaft saver by far. And if I can't run the RPM with the Haas bumper, which I don't know. If you guys know, please comment. But I am so psyched how well these shocks in front worked out. Also, the ones in back, even though they're a bigger bore, they are very similar. I mean, if you push them down and your car sits pretty much level, you're at the right stance. You want it to hop up a little bit, not much. You want to lift your car up, put it down, look at it, push your shocks down, and if your car sits level, that is a great starting point. And you just adjust from there. And that wheelie bar has definitely got to go. I might as well just throw this bumper on until my other wheelie bar comes. But I don't want to ruin my body too much. You know, I painted it myself, and it's so pretty. It's just so pretty. I don't want to destroy it, but this definitely helps. I mean, I will be doing this to everybody that I purchase. Basher body that I purchase. I wish I could send you guys pictures on YouTube, because it's I got my buddy that lent me a center diff, gave me a center diff. Look what my wife got me too. She's so nice. Little organizer. We got some screwdrivers. We got the important stuff in this drawer, and then I haven't decided what I want to put in that one. But, yeah, she got that. Because eventually we'll have the computer out here and the eBay store running. Running better. And then I just need some help linking everything to my Facebook, to my Instagram, to my YouTube, Instagram, to Facebook. And oh yeah, for all the Boulder people that watch the vape video, this is awesome. I ran the different oil today or yesterday, and it burns the same. So you can run the salted nicotine or the regular oils that I used to buy back in the day. This is the salt one. It says it has salt in it. Let's put in the chemicals. Pink Punch Ice. Where does it say the salt? Oh, salts. I don't know if that's the brand name or if that's just like something new, but I brought them all inside. You can run all the ones from back in the day if you want to quit smoking. There's different milligrams out there, and I have cut down a lot. My wife was super impressed, and just about the amount of cigarettes I cut down. But yeah, this video is getting kind of long, so we're gonna trim out